This hibiscus face mask is 100% real food nourishment for your skin. It gently cleanses and exfoliates, leaving your skin moisturized and rejuvenated. Mash hibiscus flower. It is also highly effective in reviving the skin's elasticity and fighting the signs of aging. Add hibiscus paste in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of besan. Add 2 teaspoons of yogurt. And mix them together to make a paste. In olden times, besan was used as a cleansing agent, basically as a soap. Yogurt helps to remove dark and dead skin cells, and also expose the layer of fresh, new cells. Applying plain yogurt on the face and other parts of the skin which has been darkened is very helpful in skin whitening. Take a brush and apply this mask on your face. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes.